I'm procrastinating. I had a shelter 0.3 off trail because it was supposed to rain, and it did. I got off yesterday at 2:30 or 3. I got 9 miles in, and that at least means I'm just still over 100, and I'll be done. This is a very nice shelter. Sorry about the down attitude. I just don't feel good about not making more miles, and I think it's about the weather more than anything. So I got a break in the weather coming up here. I'm gonna try to make some miles to a tent site. Then obviously I'm gonna have to tent up in this junk. But miles are becoming more important than smiles. At certain points, I can't just keep taking zeros, especially or Neros or zeros. So today's gonna be another, just a couple few miles, probably till it gets dark. I think there's like 3 campsites that's up the way. It's like 6 miles. So I'm gonna do that. And be very little video today. This is a very nice shelter. I'll show you just a little bit in the dark winter day here. Hold on. It's got a nice carved trail register box, right? And it's got some little stuff in there, fire starter, a register, mouse trap. There's a hammock here. It's on there. My poles are in front of it. There's 3 little windows in the back. There's a privy down the side. And, you know, you got your shelf for your porcupines here. And somebody left a crack. I'm not taking it. Down there is the privy. And there's a little fire pot stand on the picnic table. You see it right there? Fire pot stand. And so if you want to, I'm assuming what that's for. So if you want to put your pot on the fire, you can. Nice job. And it's a little old. It's not that old. I mean, maybe 40 years old, maybe. Could be as old as me for all I know. It's got concrete footings. There's little hiker box there, nothing much in it. And I'm headed out in a little bit, right? Now that the weather's broke, I'm gonna check it and go. So I'll probably catch up later because I don't know if I'm gonna get any views, and it's probably gonna be yucky all day. Gotta finish it. I'll catch up. All right, bye, shelter. Oh, bad view. Okay, bye, shelter. Great little water supply at this shelter as well. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. And not too deep into the gully. So yeah, 0.3 off trail, but hey, Eagle's Nest. I think it's called the Eagle's Nest, and it worked out. It didn't look like an eagle's nest, like I thought it might have a view, but no. So 0.3 blue blaze, and we're on. The luck. I've had total luck this whole trail. The whole trail I've had so much luck. and I can't even believe it. So, a couple grabby days at the end, whatevs. Still the most amazing journey of my lifetime so far. So, yeah, good times out on the rainy App Trail all by myself in the winter. That's what happens when you have too much fun during the summer. You end up getting stuck out here like me trying to finish up on before the snow comes. Knock on wood. All right, I'll catch you up. So, little chilly, but more foggy than chilly. It's 45, gonna be 50. The rain has stopped. I think I might be night hiking for a bit. Look at this, it is so creepy. I'm not creeped out whatsoever. I think it's kind of cool. It's like walking through Sherwood Forest. But hopefully the rain will hold off. I'm stopped for a break at this little campsite. I don't know what it is, if it's official or not, but it doesn't matter. Stopping for a break and just check out the sitch on the map and keep going. Yeah, yucky days can still be hiking days. Yes, they can. Not really happy and smiley and fun hiking days, but, you know, level 2 type fun. I'll catch up. Yuck. And it's raining again. It's raining again, yeah. That's the old AT. Maybe some people still take it, I don't know. I'm not gonna take the one they tell me to. That way I got less chance of getting lost. Rain stopped, and I keep thinking about a haircut, man. Whoa, I need a haircut. I got hair growing out the back of my neck that's longer than the stuff that's growing on the forehead. It happens. So do this hike before you get to neck hair age. Pennsylvania, a little better today. Still, you gotta lighten up. You gotta lighten up on me, man. I'm just trying to get this done. Come on, 95 miles. I'm almost there. Do this. I know I can do it, I know. Just taking a break. It's raining. I'm just overheating a little bit. I put the umbrella, or it stopped raining. I put the umbrella away and I can see some blue sky. So that's a bonus. That means that I'll be able to camp on a wet spot tonight, but it'll be dry. We'll see how that works out. I'll catch up.